Hi everyone, Rob from EGVPL here at Elk Labs Site B, where today I'm going to show you a great new item that you can check out from EGVPL. It's called the Raspberry Pi 400. Now at first glance, this looks like a keyboard you might pick up at your average electronics or office supply store. But lurking inside this keyboard is an entire computer. Inside is a 64-bit ARM processor, just like the kind you'd find in your average iPhone or Android phone or iPad. It has 4 gigabytes of memory, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a whole bunch of connectors. In addition to wireless networking, the Pi 400 comes built in with Ethernet, a few USB ports, a USB-C port for power, 2 micro-HDMI jacks, a micro-SD memory card slot, and a 40-pin programmable general-purpose input-output, or GPIO port, that you can use for programming and electronics projects. Now, since it's running on a lower power processor than your average desktop, the Pi 400 isn't running Microsoft Windows. Instead, it uses a custom operating system called Raspberry Pi OS, which is based on Debian Linux. In fact, the entire operating system runs from a little tiny micro SD card that slots right into the back of the device. Of course, just giving you a fancy keyboard isn't really enough, so the Pi 400 also comes with a small power supply, a mouse, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable so you can plug it into a screen, and best of all, it comes with this great book. The official Raspberry Pi Beginner's Guide, 4th edition, which is going to walk you through setting up your Pi and show you how to do lots of fun stuff with it, like learning to code using programming languages like Scratch or Python and more. The Raspberry Pi 400 is a great device for anyone who wants to learn programming, who's curious about open source technology, and who has an unquenchable thirst for learning. We have 4 of these Raspberry Pi 400 devices. They're available now, and you can check them out, borrow them for 3 weeks, just like a book. So place a hold through our online catalog, pick them up using curbside service, and learn a little bit about the future. Thanks for watching, everybody. In the meantime, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.